high quality work we are in making in WeldtekCompany. SS10 steel elevation of the ICMR Central Government of India project work we are in making WeldtekCompany team of our good service. I will give my best. Now I am live on telecast. Please watch it.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ బల్ల కూర్మయ్య. ఇది సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా
ICMR Indian Council of Medical Research Institute, Hyderabad Telangana, India.
హైదరాబాద్
Live on telecast in streaming on WeldtekCompany, and my social media and my website is also in full length video. Anyone requirement, you will watch it in full video. Please directly visit www.ballakurmaya.com and WeldtekCompany, WeldtekCompany. Please live watch telecast. భారతీయ జంతువుల ప్రయోగశాల యందు ఇటువంటివి తయారు చేయబడింది.